Train crashes may seem like something you only see in black and white video, but they do happen. They're rare, but they're terrifying when they do happen. Oh my God, oh my God. Luckily for us, we live in a time where everyone films everything, so we've got a bunch of those on camera for you today. Let's get started. A video that went viral this Saturday shows a tsunami caused by a train passing through a flooded area. Train driver jumped out of the car when he saw the collision was about to happen. One of the train cars exploded and caught fire. Crazy. Firefighters eventually arrived on the scene to put out the fire in the second car. Luckily, there were no injuries. Happened in South America with a former N&W SD-42 train. How did she survive? Incredible footage shows woman left just inches from death after running in front of 70 imp train. Passengers jump from derailed train in Mumbai. At the B-class intersection between Skibno and Kozolin, despite the closed barrier, the driver of a passenger vehicle entered. Just then, a train passed. There were 4 people in the car. None of them were injured. Japan's trains are more than just technological wonders. They are safe, charming, sometimes nostalgic, sometimes futuristic, and completely unique. Dashcam footage captured the moment a train derailed in Springfield, Ohio. The derailment was filmed live by Jonathan Gijena, who confirmed that the derailment was caused by a log on the tracks. Ormond train derails near Saskatoon, Saskatchewan on commute.
No, that just happened.
Just after the GO train passes, another train is approaching in the distance. As Via 911 gets closer, Via 910 passes the curve of the crossing. Catch 2 trains at the same time. Yesterday, Saturday, November 5th, 2016, several steam trains arrived at Schiefe Eben in Neuenmarkt. Tokyo is perhaps the most crowded city in the world with 36 million residents, as well as commuters and tourists all jostling for space. The work train is currently in Genjinbak. Here is a shot of the SL Akita Komachi C6120 and the Super Komachi E6 series running side by side. ...2011 Cass Railfan Weekend Parade on Steam. In Canada, the government requires that all passenger trains be equipped with horns that allow for the use of one low-level mode and one high-level mode.
Mother.
Get back further.
Horrifying moment, Union Pacific train crashes into stuck empty tractor trailer while trying to cross tracks. What a mess. Hope the bridge is not damaged and everyone is okay. Train hits semi-truck in Richmond, Texas.
Huh?
This truck got stuck right in the middle of the railway crossing. Luckily, the driver got out in time.
This shit is crazy. Oh man, you said it too, babe. Now there's gotta be fire.
Train hits oversized load in Marion, Ohio. Train crashes into tractor trailer in Ackworth, Georgia. No one injured. Brightline accident surveillance video.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Train hits Chick Gatewood beverage truck in Tifton, Georgia.
Oh my god.
CSX train hits car stuck at level crossing. No injuries. The SUV crashed into the train and then bounced into a building across the street. Train hits tow truck in Darby, Kansas. Train hits trailer with furniture in Ackworth, Georgia.
Train coming. Boy. God, boy.
I should get out. I'm boxed in. Oh no!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Do we need to call 911? Get me out of Midland.
Brightline train splits truck carrying luxury cars in half, throws Audi into the air. The train was traveling south at about 8 miles per hour when the crash occurred. One person in the car was injured. The incident happened around 1:30 p.m. Friday at the intersection of Teague Street and Avenue D in Moody. No injuries were reported.
Wow.
this is not good. This car is about to get crushed. Oh!
Train hits semi-truck in Haverstraw, New York. But you do it on purpose.
Ay, Dios.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.